What's up, guys? Welcome back to Roblox Productions. Today, Lucas is tearing down an office building. You ready, Lucas?
I am certainly ready, AJ.
That's what I like to hear.
Bomb this place. What happened? What the Sigma? What happened? I'll go back up there. Bomb. I'm gonna go. What the Sigma? Let me see what happened. Wow! Giant TNT? Great, I need Robux. Small TNT? We gotta go now.
Wow! Lucas, look what you did. That's amazing. High five. That's what I like.
What about... Oh, yeah, he's on fire. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about him. That's what he gets for being an idiot.
Lucas, don't say that.
Bomb. Wow! It's tearing apart. This is amazing.
Wow, Lucas, that's amazing. Even the floor fell apart.
What else can I destroy? Oh, this place. We gotta go. What the Sigma? Wow! I'm so powerful! Computers! Yay!
Lucas, why did you destroy the computers? You could have destroyed something else.
Ooh, another computer!
Lucas, no! Don't destroy that computer! Phew, you're lucky it's not destroyed.
Watch and learn.
Oh no, Lucas, no! Lucas, why would you destroy the computer? That's it. We're going home. And I'm taking away your Xbox. And your iPad. And your phone. And your Android. All your electronics. You shouldn't have destroyed that computer. You could have destroyed anything else but the computer. Wow!